This short how-to video will show you how easy it is to read data from an OPC UA server using the BFC Gateway. Welcome back. Assuming you already set up a machine in your plant hierarchy, we start right away with adding an OPC UA client in the Client's Import section. So please select your machine and again click on the plus symbol to add the client. Now select the OPC UA client from the drop-down list and click Next. In the basic configuration, please start with setting up a client ID. For the next steps, you must be prepared with some details. You must know the IP address and the port number of the OPC UA server. Second, you must know the security mode to communicate with the server, and maybe you must have a login and password as well as the appropriate certificates available. In our case, I upload a certificate and a security key. In the last step, I provide the username and password before I proceed with the dataset configuration. Now in the dataset configuration, each dataset will get a name first. The reading mode will be changed to interval, and the update rate will stay at 500 milliseconds for now. As the OPC server provides variable browsing, you can search for data points and add them to your dataset. In the next section, you can verify your connection immediately. Clicking on the eye symbol, you will receive the current values of your selected data points. Don't forget to add your dataset and finally save your configuration. Back in commissioning, you can check data flowing for each connected client in a simple overview. Click on the three-dot menu icon and then use the eye symbol to get a time-based view for all incoming variable values. That's all for today. But check out the episode to transfer these OPC UA data to a MQTT broker. Thanks for watching.